Okay, hopefully this turns out okay. So here is a rim that I have, and it's pretty clean. I cleaned the outside not that long ago, but this video is on how I clean the inside of the wire wheels, which frequently look pretty nasty. So what I have here is a small steam cleaner. I think this one's made by Wagner, and I use dish soap. Now I just noticed I actually got a dent in this back rim. I don't think I've had this rim off the car in a couple of years. So I use dish soap because I don't want anything corrosive. These cheap chrome wheels do not like corrosive chemicals, and most of your wheel cleaners are kind of corrosive. So let's see now. And that's pretty dirty. Oh, that's all right. Not sure why that decided to fall today, but that's all right. All right, that is the kind of the gist of it. I like using the steam cleaner because I want to minimize the harsh chemicals, and the steam seems to really be able to get into all those hard to reach spots, basically between the spokes, that middle section there. And I clean it up with a rag or a soft cloth, and then I go over it with Never Dull. And the reason I use Never Dull is because it has some petroleum in it, which serves as a rust inhibitor. So that is my process. There may be some better ones out there, but that's what I'm doing, and it seems to be pretty quick and easy.